morning. So today is the end of my first week on Slimming World, which obviously means it's my first weigh-in. I'm actually quite excited, a little bit nervous, a little bit excited because I think I've done well. So yeah, we'll see. Aria's going to go to nursery, then Slimming World, and then when I pick her up later we'll pop downtown and go to the club. My uncle runs a club and we meet my mum and my auntie in there, just have a catch up and eat some lunch in there. I was going to wear my lovely new dress, but we've woken up to rain. So, yeah, fun. Baba. Yeah? Are you doing your funny face at me? Are you going to show us that tough? Are you going to show us your tough? Yeah, that's what you think of that, isn't it? Oh, is that what you think of that? Where's that tough? I'm excited and nervous because it's my first Slimming World weigh-in. I really hope I've done well. I feel like I've done well, but if I step on those scales and I've not lost or gained, I will cry. Oh no. I probably won't, but I'll be gutted. I've like really stuck to it. It's probably the most I've ever stuck to a diet. So yeah, we shall see. Shan't we, Carrie Coon? You can see the telly from the serving hatch. That's all you care about, isn't it? I got myself and Carrie ready. Spencer got Aria mostly ready. I just need to do her hair because he sucks at doing hair. And then we can go drop Aria off. And then myself and Carrie will head down to Slimming World. I'm not sure how long we're going to be there. I'm not sure if it'll be a case of finishing Slimming World and going straight up to pick Aria up from nursery, or if we're going to be going home first. I have no idea. Time will tell. What goes in your hair if you don't take it back from nursery?
Spiders.
Right, raincoats on.
Fish.
We gotta put them on. And we gotta get going. Everybody's welcome in Justin's house. Yeah. Where are you going, Wiggle Ben? Hey! You think everything's a chew toy, don't you? Super chapped, £4 off. That's amazing. Then I'm just going to go straight and pick Aria up now. So I'll be a bit early, but yeah.
Go!
So have you had fun in nursery? I'm so chuffed with the £4 weight loss.
I'm going to pick you up.
Racing me upstairs.
I'm going to pick you up. Na 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 na.
Aria wants to wear a princess dress today.
You like being faster than us.
So we just picked her up from nursery, come home, quickly get changed into her princess dress, and then we're going to go down the club. Oh. Which dress do you want to wear?
That one.
That one.
That one.
Okie dokie. Fairy Princess Aria, the greatest.
How did I like that? How did I do like that?
I don't know.
do
I think your sister's crying.
I'm going to make your magic appear. So we won't hear it ever again.
Well, maybe that's a bit drastic.
Bye.
Piles of clothes ready to go upstairs. Can't wait to get this floor done.
1, 2, 3, magic, go away.
You need to stop wishing that your sister would go away.
What?
Your poor sister.
No. I'm saying give away that into there.
Ah, you want the box to be put away. I would have got that out because I'm changing a nappy. Who's at the door?
No. I'm ready.
Yay!
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You're kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You were never backing down, backing down, backing.
We've just got home from town. I look right mess from having my hood up from this rain. Yeah, the girls loved it in the club. They love going in there, absolutely love it. Aria likes going in Greg's and getting a little picnic to eat in there. And we picked up Aria's new glasses. Do you want to try your glasses on?
Yeah.
Yeah, so she's going to put her glasses on now.
It looks a bit funny. Why does your camera look funny?
What looks funny?
Oh, it doesn't now. Oh, why is it by me? It's by me.
It looks close, does it?
Yeah.
It's just because you can actually see properly now and you're not used to being able to see properly.
Hey, why is it a bit still on me? Why is it a bit still there?
So yeah, that's going to take some getting used to, isn't it? That nap didn't last long, did it? No, it didn't last long. Oh dear. Have you woken up a bit grumpy? Hey. You and your funny faces. Where's your glasses gone?
Around here. Around here.
But why are you not wearing them?
I don't understand.
You're supposed to wear them all the time now.
Why?
Because you are. So my Amazon order has just arrived.
And here's my funny glasses.
This is Carrie's new nightlight.
Stop, downstairs. Button. Is that music, Mum?
So I bought this off Amazon.
Sweet
dreams. Story time. Sweet dreams. Night night.
Oh, that's a bit zoomed in. We bought her a hippo nightlight thing the other week and the light goes off after something like 5 minutes. So she just wakes up, well, I don't know, wakes up. I don't know if she gets to sleep in that time, but she just screams because the pretty lights have gone off. It actually disturbs her more than helps her. So I've bought this one now. I think this one, the lights last half hour or 45 minutes, but it's also got a sensor, so you can set it to play white noise music or light up or whatever when she makes a noise. So yeah, hopefully I'm just basically clutching at straws and trying anything to make her stay in her cot and sleep. Please work, fingers crossed, please.
Memories are chasing you away from me.
Not holding out much hope for this nap. Why do I keep doing that? That's better. She's lost one pair of glasses already. Oh my god, I need to put my hair back. It looks like I don't like a scarecrow. She's lost one pair of glasses already. She's had them for an hour. This is going to be a nightmare. Oh, you monkey. So can you make sure you look after them, please?
Can you make sure you look after them, please? Okay, I'm on.
Oh, don't
lick them, don't lick them, don't lick them. Look after them and find out of a pay. I had a feeling you wasn't gonna nap, didn't I? Yeah, but we just had a nice surprise, haven't we? Because you stink. Now you might think it's random that I'm saying that's a nice surprise, but I've been worried because I genuinely can't remember the last time she had a poo. So, yay!
Today it's my birthday, and did you bring me something? Because it's my birthday. Some princesses is a big bag full nice and funny and house.
I don't know.
Look, you tell me.
The best.
And the best life in the world.
It's not her birthday, really.
You did it for that.
Yeah, that's your birthday present.
What did you give me that?
No,
Mommy.
because that's mine.
Did you give me that?
Yeah, that's your birthday present.
For looking after my baby.
Yeah.
Yay!
It's so cold today, I've just had to turn the heating on. Freezing.
You turn the heating on?
Yeah. That's Carrie gone down to bed. Doubt it'll last. We'll see. So that didn't go well. She's in a right state, so gonna give some Calpol a go now. I guess them teeth were playing you out bad, didn't they? So, I'm going to end the vlog here. Thanks for watching. Bye.